video tutorial we will discuss about how to create a layer, then how we can create the styles of the layer. So I will go to unlock the background, then go to the layer, pick up the style layer, choose the gradient overlay, change the pattern here. You can make it, create a new style, make it okay. So I will apply the paint over that design, change the color of the paint to get the results here.